Hi, welcome to the new video. In this video, I am going to talk about NITI Aayog. Why I have selected this topic? Because NITI Aayog completed 10 years. It was started in the year 2015, January 1, and it replaced Planning Commission. Planning Commission was started in 1950. It was centralized planning and its function included allocation of resources to various ministries. But Niti Aayog does not do that function. It's more of a decentralized planning. Why India chosen Niti Aayog? Because if you consider in 1979, China was a communist country, communist centralized planning country, and it converted into market based economy. Because of this, it transitioned into upper middle country from poor country. And also, poverty reduced from 90% to almost nil in 2023. And also, if you consider GDP per capita in nominal terms, it was almost $150 in 1979, but it's now $12,000. It is still 10,000 more than India, even though we become LPG country after 1991, and also household savings rate per GDP also increased. That is, it's about 45% in China, and in India it's 30% now. And then if I move on to the functions of Niti Aayog, what are the functions of Niti Aayog? The first function is decentralization, and then the second function is data driven management. For example, Niti Aayog launched an initiative called Aspirational Districts Program, under which 112 underdeveloped districts are selected. Why they are underdeveloped? Because they were poor on these parameters such as health, education, skill development, infrastructure, and then agriculture. And then what Niti Aayog did was they increased competition between districts, and then they were given incentives on the basis of improvement. And in Karnataka, four districts were recognized under ADP. All the four districts are in Kalyana, Karnataka region. They are Bidar, Yadgiri, Kalburgi, Raichur. And then the third function is collaboration between various ministries. For example, consider Poshan Abhiyan. In Poshan Abhiyan, nutrition has to be increased, to both women and children. For this, coordination between Ministry of Social Justice and Ministry of Women and Child Development is very important. And for this collaboration, Niti Aayog is important. And then the fourth function is monitoring, means monitoring the results. Results from action. Action means initiatives, various initiatives taken. And then Niti Aayog launched many indices. The first indices is SDG India indices. In this SDG, 17 goals are present. This should be completed by 2030. It actually released by UNDP. In this SDG India index, Karnataka scored and also it improved from 72 to 75 in 2023, and it's also in front runner category, and particularly in innovation goal, that's SDG 9, and clean energy, that is SDG 7. Karnataka is a leader. And then another index is MPI, Multi Poverty Line Index. It has three indicators, that is health, education, living standards. All these three are given equal weightage. In this, Karnataka has 12 point, almost 12%. It is less than national average, that is almost 14%. But it is performing badly compared to other southern states, that is Kerala and Tamil Nadu. And then recently means in January, Niti Aayog released Fiscal Health Index. Fiscal means government. In this, Niti Aayog considered five parameters, that is fiscal prudence, debt, sustainability, third one spending, fourth one revenue, and then the fifth one is fiscal deficit. In this, Karnataka scored 40 out of 100, and it's in 10th place. And then Niti Aayog launched many initiatives. Already I discussed two, that is aspirational districts program and then Poshan Abhiyan. And I will discuss few more here. First one is production linked incentive. This was launched to increase domestic production of some certain sectoral products like electronics, pharmaceuticals, then automobiles, specialty steels, etc. This is under the control of Ministry of Electronics and IT. And then the second initiative is Mission Life, lifestyle for environment. This was launched in 2021 in COP26, happened in Glasgow, United Kingdom. This is related to sustainability, means sustainable maintaining sustainable environment. In this, many themes are present. Those are first one is reducing wastage, second one is efficient use of water, sustainable lifestyle, and then reducing food wastage, and then use of renewable energy rather than fossil energy. And then the third initiative is promotion of green hydrogen. Green hydrogen is produced from water through electrolysis. For this, cabinet last year cleared the policy in that 5 million metric tons of green hydrogen should be produced by 2030. For this, we needed electrolyzer as well as renewable energy. And then the fourth initiative is nationally determined contribution. It was initially launched after Paris Agreement. That happened in COP15 in Paris in 2000, sorry, COP21 in 2015. There are three INDCs. One is 45% GHG reduction. Second one is creation of 2.5 to 3 billion tons of carbon sink to absorb carbon dioxide. Third one is 50% of electricity should be produced from non-fossil fuels. And then the next initiative is this aspirational blocks program. It was launched in the year 2023. It was actually linked to ADP of 2018. In this, 500 blocks in the country were recognized. In that, 7 blocks are present in Karnataka. These blocks are basically taluks. They were underdeveloped. And then the next initiative is Atal Innovation Mission. It was launched in the year 2016 to develop innovative thinking and then entrepreneurship mindset among the students of the country. Under this, Atal Tinkering Labs were introduced to school children. And also, Atal Incubation Center were established for startups. And in the continuation of this, AIM 2.0 was launched. It is locally available in 22 languages, that is scheduled languages. So it is more geographically dispersed. Those mindset will be created among all the sections of society. And let's coming to the next. I think if we want to increase the income in the country, we have to raise the productivity of labor. If we want to increase productivity of the labor, we have to increase the skills. That is, we have to reduce discussed employment because the marginal productivity of those employment of those labors is zero, and also reducing underemployment, and also redistribution of economy because 45% of people are engaged in agriculture, and it it is just contributed to 15% of GDP of country. So we have to reallocate these factors into low skilled service sector jobs or manufacturing jobs. Thank you.